I'm part of IPV Investor since 2023. And I can simply say that there are three P's which makes IPV different from other investing platforms. First P is processes. IPV processes are extremely well structured and designed. As an investor, you know what to expect, when to expect. They have very thorough due diligence process, and they share the due diligence results with the investors. And once you commit to an investment, their first email states out each and every steps of the process with a tentative timeline, and that timeline is most of the time is well honored. The second P for me is platform. They have a well-designed and managed application, and within that application, you can find investor decks, pitch deck, call recordings, etc. can be found, and you can also track your investment via IPV, and everything is in within the app. And third and most important for me is people. Most of the people I dealt in IPV are well approachable and knowledgeable. They know their business very well. Due to angel investing platform and opportunities, I think angel investment and investing in startup has become accessible to individual investor as well as small investors. And I have seen a significant growth in startup investing in last few years. And in my opinion, this will continue to grow as a mainstream investing instrument like equities, mutual fund, gold, real estate, etc. I would like to say that, like any other investment, assess your risk as per your risk appetite. Do not invest into one basket. Hedge your risk by investing in different instrument. Don't feel FOMO and invest wisely.